नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा. Rejuvenating text 15, text 16 and text 17 of chapter 4, the characteristics of Rishabh Dev of 5th canto, the creative impetus of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 15. Yada yachchira shanya charitam tata tadanu vartate lokah. Whatever action is performed by a great man, common men follow. A similar verse is also found in Bhagavad Gita 3.21. It is essential for human society to have a section of men perfectly trained as qualified Brahmanas according to the instructions of Vedic knowledge. Those below the Brahminical qualification, administrators, merchants and workers, should take instructions from those ideal people who are considered to be intellectuals. In this way, everyone can be elevated to the highest transcendental position and be freed from material attachment. The material world is described by Lord Krishna himself as Dukkhalayam Ashashvatam, a temporary place of misery. No one can stay here even if he makes a compromise with misery. One has to give up this body and accept another, which may not even be a human body. As soon as one gets a material body, he becomes Deha Bhuta or Dehi. In other words, he is subjected to all the material conditions. The leaders of society must be so ideal that by following them, one can be relieved from the clutches of material existence. Text 16. Yadyapi swaviditam sakala dharmama brahmama guhyam brahmanaira darshita margen samadi bhirupa yaira janata manushashasa. Although Lord Rishabh Dev knew everything about confidential Vedic knowledge, which includes information about all types of occupational duties, he still maintained himself as a Kshatriya and followed the instructions of the Brahmanas as they related to mind control, sense control, tolerance and so forth. Thus he ruled the people according to the system of Varnashrama Dharma, which enjoins that the Brahmanas instruct the Kshatriyas and the Kshatriyas administer to the state through the Vaishyas and Shudras. Although Rishabh Dev knew all the Vedic instructions perfectly well, he nonetheless followed the instructions of the Brahmanas in order to perfectly maintain the social order. The Brahmanas would give advice according to the Shastras and all the other castes would follow. The word Brahma means perfect knowledge of all activities, and this knowledge is very confidentially described in the Vedic literatures. Men trained perfectly as Brahmanas should know all Vedic literature, and the benefit derived from this literature should be distributed to the general populace. The general populace should follow the perfect Brahman. In this way, one can learn how to control the mind and senses and thus gradually advance to spiritual perfection. Text 17. Dravya desha kalvayah shraddhara tviga vividhot desho pachitaiha sarvairapi Kratubhira Yathopadesham Shatakritva Iyaja. Although Lord Rishabh Dev performed all kinds of sacrifices 100 times according to the instructions of the Vedic literatures, thus he satisfied Lord Vishnu in every respect. All the rituals were enriched by first-class ingredients. They were executed in holy places according to the proper time by priests who were all young and faithful. In this way, Lord Vishnu was worshipped and the prasad was offered to all the demigods. Thus, the functions and festivals were all successful. It is said, Kaumara Acharet Pradnyo Dharman Bhagavatan Iha, Bhagavatam 7.6.1. A ritual should be performed by young men, even boys, at a tender age. In order for the ritual to be performed successfully, from childhood, people should be trained in Vedic culture, especially in devotional service. In this way, one can perfect one's life. A Vaishnava does not disrespect the demigods, but on the other hand, he is not so foolish that he accepts each and every demigod as the Supreme Lord. The Supreme Lord is master of all demigods, therefore the demigods are his servants. A Vaishnava accepts them as servants of the Supreme Lord and he worships them directly. In the Brahma Samhita, the important demigods, Lord Shiv, Lord Brahma, and even the expansions and incarnations of Lord Krishna like Mahavishnu, Garbhodakshay Vishnu, and all the other Vishnu Tattvas, as well as the Shakti Tattvas like Durga Devi, are all worshipped by the process of worshipping Govinda with the words Govindam Adi Purusham Tam Aham Bhajami. A Vaishnava worships the demigods in relation to Govinda, not independently. Vaishnavas are not so foolish that they consider the demigods independent of the supreme personality of Godhead. This is confirmed in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Ekale Ishvara Krishna Arasabha Bhritya. The Supreme Master is Krishna and all others are his servants. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.